Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about AWS. In this tutorial, we are talking about what is AWS, an overview of AWS services and how vast it is. So start with the what is AWS. AWS is a basically global cloud platform which allows you to host and manage services on the internet. All and its hosting provider. It used by around 80% of Fortune 500 companies to host their infrastructure and have a lots of services which provides to its customer like infrastructure as a service, IaaS, platform as a service, PaaS, and software as a service, SaaS. Let's talk about infrastructure as a service, which means they provide a bare server as a service. So you don't need to manage the backup and power supply of service. Platform as a service. They provide a platform as a service. You can get a Java, Ruby, PHP, etc. as a service. So that you don't to manage binary of these applications. If you want to install your own, you have choice also. Software as a service. You will get lots of service like SQS, SES, in storage option, EBS and S3. So let's start with the overview of services. As you know, most common EC2 is used in the AWS. EC2 is an elastic compute cloud. This service which gives you a bare servers, so this service gives you a virtual machine which you can launch and you can run software on this. You can launch your server as your required as like small or large instance as per your requirement. Second one is VPC, Virtual Private Cloud. So Amazon will not allow you to full control their cloud, so they give you a chunk of cloud which is VPC. In this VPC you can create a virtual cloud range of your server in that network. S3 S3 give you the option to upload your files and share your files over the internet. As you know, RDS, Relational Database Service, allows you to run and manage your database on the cloud. You can get almost all flavor of databases like MySQL Server, MS SQL servers, Postgres, and etc. One more database is AWS Aura. It is based on the MySQL, but it claims that Aura is more faster than MySQL. Route 53. Route 53 is basically DNS. That service where you can point your DNS on Amazon. They can take care of your DNS and it is a scalable service. ELB, Elastic Load Balancer. Elastic Load Balancer is a service which gives you opportunity to load balance incoming traffic to a multiple machine. In this way you can scale up your web application for number of users. Auto scaling, which adds capacity on the fly to elastic load balancers so that your website and application never goes down. And how vast it is. They have 15 regions across 2 major countries of the world. They have global footprint. They have multiple availability zone per region. It's like a big data center, a data center where they have from 3 lakh to 5 lakh servers, and currently they have 64 services and launching new services in all and every day. That is just about AWS Web Services. So in next video I will show you how to sign up on the AWS. Thanks for watching my video. Please comment if you have any question on that.